In this video, you will learn how to replace an item in a live order. Please know that orders must still be active for you to make adjustments. This will not work after the driver has picked up an order. We also highly recommend that you contact the customer by dialing the number on the bottom left to get their approval before making any adjustments to the order. After accepting an order, click on the orange Replace button. This will give you a pop-up of the menu where you can search for other items to replace it with. Once you have selected the item, you can edit the quantity of how many items you want to send. Once you're satisfied with your replacement, click Confirm. You will receive a message letting you know that the product was replaced. Now, simply place the new items in the bag and wait for the driver to pick them up. Have questions? Contact Bev Support by emailing us at support@bevs.com or calling 818-235-1327.